Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to my channel, viewers. Viewers, hope you all are fine. May Allah bless you always with prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, today I am going to show you a very wonderful ideas of luxury home offices. Very interesting, very beautiful and very luxury. So keep my video watching till end and enjoy my video for these interesting and wonderful ideas of home offices. Viewers, amazing luxury designs of home ideas. As you can see on your screens, the walls, the tables and the chairs, each and everything is very luxury for the home offices. The contrasts of the offices with the interiors are very nice and very beautiful, and the white color in front of you, again with the white and gray, again with the white brass tables, rack tables, again with the cabinets. Very interesting one, very beautiful one. Ideas with the wood and the floor settings with the tables, very interesting ones, the racks, the walls, each and everything in these ideas very wonderful. Viewers, if you like one of the idea from this video you like the most, then write in our comment section which idea you like the most, and if you like the video then give us thumbs up button, and don't forget to visit my channel for more interior designs, more home decor ideas. And here I'm going to remind you that if you are not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking the bell icon so that I can put a new upgraded ideas of interior for your convenience. You can get notification first and you get benefit from these ideas. Viewers, support us on daily basis by sharing my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself, and also visit my channel for more interesting ideas of interiors and settings and decorations for rooms, for decor. Again the woody, again the black one, very interesting one, the vintage ideas. Viewers, if you have a demand, if you had an idea in your mind you want to see on my channel, then write in comment section. Inshallah we will try to put that type of video, that ideas video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for more updated videos and ideas.